Today, let's talk about one of the worst trades in Stock Shark's history, one we still have nightmares about. Enter Tellurian, ticker TELL. Tellurian Inc. is an energy company that set out to build Driftwood LNG, a massive liquefied natural gas export terminal designed to capitalize on the projected boom in global LNG demand. On paper, the story looked bulletproof, which first entered around $6.50 per share, extremely confident in this company. The managed team was staffed with sector all-stars, and every person we spoke to in the region was buzzing about Driftwood. Our conviction only grew when the stock quickly rallied to $8.50 during the early days of the Trump presidency, as new global trade deals were being negotiated. At one point, India was even talks to buy LNG directly from Tellurian, so bullish that Tellurian's CEO was literally photographed alongside Trump on his trip to India. We thought we had found a trade of the year, but then the tide turned. India struck deals elsewhere and Tellurian began to unravel. With no projects on the line and a growing cash crunch, the company started showing cracks. The real blow came when Tellurian canceled a $1 billion note offering and saw major LNG sales agreements with Shell and Vitol terminated. That was the death sentence. By then, the stock was trading between $3 and $4 a share, but instead of cutting our losses, we made the mistake of holding on, hoping for a miracle. A few weeks later, we woke up to a 50% drop overnight. In pure panic, we sold at $1.98, convinced the company was headed straight for bankruptcy. In hindsight, selling was the right move, just late. The stock eventually fell to around 65 cents, and Tellurian was forced to sell off the Haynesville natural gas assets just to stay afloat, valuing shares effectively at $1 a share. The lesson here is clear. Hope is not a strategy. No matter how strong the management team looks, no matter how good the story sounds, when the fundamentals crack and the financing falls apart, you need to respect the red flags. Holding and hoping only magnifies losses. It's one of the ugliest trades, but also one of the most important lessons burned into us. As always, this is financial advice just for entertainment and educational purposes only. We don't want you to make the same mistakes as us. If you're interested in learning more, click the link in the bio, become the Stock Sharks member today.